everyone, this is Gillian. This is my July design team project for Penny Whittemore, Just Penny Designs, from Etsy and Facebook. It's a beautiful, beautiful kit, and any of you that have watched others of my videos and my journal designs know that I like to do something completely different every time I make one and use these beautiful kits. So this one is based on The Language of Flowers by Kate Greenaway, and there are also some other book images inside that I don't think are linked to that book. They're not familiar to me, but it could be another book that links that theme, I guess, that Penny's used. But anyway, Penny's kit was quite grungy, very old looking papers. Whether that was from a very old book that she took the images or whether she scrunched it up more, I don't know. But it made me want to do something, you know, using tea-dyed paper, because that complements. So I've tea-dyed the paper of the pages in between Penny's design pages. So what I've literally done, I've made it really simple. I wanted to show that you don't have to have like all the bells and whistles that we have on some of the journals that we make. It's a really ideal one for a beginner, because what I've done is I've printed having Penny's images on both sides of the page, of each page. I've then cut to size around the images, closely cut to size around the images, and I've inked the edges where so there's no sort of white edges showing. I've then alternated between her image pages and tea-dyed paper. So I've cut the tea-dyed paper to size as well. That actually looks a bit brighter than it is, but it's pretty grungy tea dyeing that I've done on it to I didn't quite catch the yellowness of the hue, but it does really go nicely, I think. So what I literally did was stacked that together. Where's the middle again? So I've stacked that together. I've machined through the middle from the outside. I machined through the middle so that and then folded it so that forms a little booklet, and it feels lovely. It's just soft. The paper that I printed onto is a very nice quality paper, and the other paper that I've tea dyed is just your ordinary printer paper. So I think that was a 90 or 100 grams, and the ordinary printer paper is 80, something like that. But anyway, it's made it a lovely feel. I've made it just so you can squash it into your handbag. There's no hard cover, there's no binding, it's just nice and squashy to carry with you wherever. And as you can see, just from flipping through, Penny's images are beautiful. So I'm literally going to flip through page by page to show you. I've used some of her images. That one is just to decorate the page. There is tons of journaling space in this one because of the way that I've made it. I've made a pocket there with that's from the kit, images from the kit tucked in there, so you can journal on the back. That I printed wrongly on the thinner paper. It would have been nicer printed on card, but again it adds to that feeling of this book being really nice and soft. Ledger pages that Penny altered and added to, which are really pretty with the florals. Another one, these are the images that I mean. They're obviously got flowers included in them. That's beautiful. I also made, I've got this really grungy, the bottom of the tray that I was tea dyeing in it's like an old baking tray, and it's got this pattern, so that came out. So I thought, oh, that make nice pocket space. So pocket, and tucked that image in there. You can tell that all these book plate images have come from the same book, but I just don't know which. It doesn't matter, they're lovely. Nice and bright. Tons of journaling space. Made a tuck spot there from one of the images and put the other one in there for journaling space. This is a really nice piece of writing, and that beautiful old rose image. And that's obviously taken like a scan from the centre of the book, but I love that edging, so it's really pretty. Another place where I've used that grungy tea stained paper to make a side pocket, and that's one of Lindsay's cards from the kit. Oh, sorry, pennies. Sorry, Penny. I've done 2 design projects at the same time. Sorry about that. Just showing you close up there. That's definitely Kate Greenaway again. I love her images. Look at that lovely one. Lovely colours, lovely muted colours. As you can see, really, really grungy edges to the book. I've made a belly band here. I didn't put anything in it, but you can see where you can tuck something behind there. So that's made with the tea stain and a part of that edging that I really liked. This just decorates the page. It's not a tuck or anything, but you could easily add to this, make notes down the side. These two seem to go particularly well with the staining on that music page. Again, that's a lovely image on its own. Beautiful. So this book's part eye candy, part, well, half at least of journaling space. Another one of Penny's pockets with another card inside, journal on the back. Beautiful, beautiful poppy. Poppies are probably, well, definitely one of my favourite 3 in my top 3 favourite flowers. Another side pocket with made with the tea stained paper, and I just made a tiny little booklet to go in there. Just put pages in to tuck in there. Another one of the images. I really like the way Penny's used ledger paper and then embellish them with the images. This page here, that was my attempt at eco-dyeing. Well, one of my attempts. Actually, that one came out quite well. You can at least see that it's beech leaves. But it wasn't a very successful dyeing session when I tried that. Another image used as a tuck spot, and another journaling card. Very pretty old daffodil. Beautiful lily. Just one more page. Lovely iris. And of course a beautiful rose. So that is it. It was really, again, I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. It was really simple, quick to do. It particularly shows beginners that you can just purchase one of these kits from a designer, print it out. Like this one was, most of my journals take me days to make, not even hours, days to make. This one I did in an evening, from start to finish. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it, and just great that you can just tuck it in your bag and use it. So hope you enjoy it. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.